Ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? It's not just politeness. It's got a strange history behind it. Back in ancient times, sneezing was seen as a sign of danger. Some believed your soul could escape with a sneeze, leaving you open to evil spirits. Others thought sneezing meant illness, especially during the plague. So saying bless you was a way to protect you or wish you well. Even today, it's a reflex that mixes superstition, care, and habit. So next time someone blesses your sneeze, remember, it's part superstition, part survival instinct, and a whole lot of tradition.